guys, today I'm going to show you how to make these lemon ice blocks. What you'll need is lemons and fruit, which is optional. I got this idea from Sarah Beauty Corner. Go check her channel out. She makes good life hack videos. So first you need to cut some fruit and put it in the ice molds. Please ignore my cutting skills. I'm using this lemon squeezer thing to squeeze out some lemon juice. When you're done with that, pour in the lemon juice into the ice molds. Then, put it into the freezer and wait for a day or two.
The next day.
Now you got these picture-worthy, delicious ice cubes to put into plain water. This will make your water taste better and just like lemonade. Thanks for watching. Cheers!